Hi, how you doing? My name is Ben Marshall. I'm from Greenstamp Insulation. We are the building envelope specialists. So what does that mean, the building envelope specialist? I'll tell you. The building envelope is the envelope which surrounds your house, and we concentrate on making sure that all of the interaction between the outside and the inside of your house runs absolutely smoothly. We want to make sure that the hot air inside of your house in the wintertime stays in there and that the cold air stays outside, and vice versa in the summer when you're spending all that money cooling your house. We want to make sure that your house stays nice and cool. The other thing we try to do is make sure that those cold drafts which come in from the outside stay outside, and whenever there's a leak, we want to stop that leak. So as the building envelope, that's what we're doing. We do it with two different types of foams. We have right here what's called a closed cell foam. If you can hear it, it's rigid, it's solid, it's a closed cell structure. It's waterproof, however, it's much more expensive than this other type. We can put this closed cell foam and this other foam right here anywhere we want to. We apply it like we're spraying spray paint, and it can get into every crack and crevice in the entire house. It's an insulating foam, which means that this is going to keep the heat in or the heat out of the house depending on how we want to put it in. This other type of foam is what we call an open cell foam, and we use these foams in different places as they're needed. This open cell foam is very soft. Here, I'll knock it again. It's a cushion, and it cushions the house from the rest of the environment. And the question is, why do we use foam instead of using something like cellulose or fiberglass? And I'll show you. It has to do with, not only is it a better insulator, it also stops the air altogether. Now, if we take a look at these ping pong balls, here's your fiberglass. This is your hot air pushing up through your wall cavity right here. And then what's happening with the air? Take a look. Do you see the ping pong ball? It's bouncing up and down. Now let's take a look. Same thing with the foam. The ping pong ball is not moving at all. But with your cellulose, can you see it moving? Well, it's hard to see it because we've got all this other junk in the cellulose, which is also pushing through your wall. But if you take a look, you can see it bouncing up and down there. That's going to have to get cleaned out a little bit for later on in the day. Anyhow, that's what we're looking at. Okay, thank you very much. Ben from Greenstamp Insulation. It was good to speak today.